Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful sunny day. Today is our first family trip to the zoo.
The zoo! I can't wait! See the lions!
And the monkeys. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, I'm so excited. The zoo opens at 9 o'clock. Let's get ready fast but happy.
Mom, Dad, I want to see the tall giraffes and the funny monkeys.
And lions. Roar! Roar! What a mighty lion.
Can I take my toy lion?
Of course, sweetie. Yes, sweetie. But remember, we must be quiet near the animals.
Okay, Mommy, we'll be quiet.
Good job, team.
I love how you're helping.
Good rule, Peter. Pack your small backpack, water bottle, hat, sunglasses, and your notebook to draw animals.
Okay, Dad, I'll get the water bottle, and I'll pack the notebook.
That's the spirit, team.
Don't worry, sweetie. We have everything we need.
But what about sunscreen? Got it, and I'm packing the hats.
Okay, I feel better now. Great job, team. All set.
Adventure time.
I love you guys so much.
We love you too.
This is the best.
Let's do this every day.
You got it.
Okay, see you later.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Safety first. The zoo is only 20 minutes away.
I can't wait. It's going to be great. I can't wait.
Look at the blue sky. Perfect weather for animals.
Wow, the zoo! Look at the elephant and giraffe.
Yeah.
And a monkey. Let's go.
All right, let's go see the animals. This is going to be so much fun.
Can't wait.
Here are your tickets and map. Enjoy the zoo.
Wow, thank you. The lions first.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
I can't wait to see the elephants.
Have a great day.
Wow. Wow, he's so big. He is. Ready to see the real ones?
Let's go. The lions are this way.
I have the map. This way. Yeah, let's go.
Wow, look, it's eating. Yeah, can we pet it? Here you go, buddy. Wow. Whoa, it's so soft. Bye-bye, giraffe. Come back soon. That was awesome. I love you so much.
Thank you.
You're my best friend.
And you are mine.
Yay, let's play again soon. Wow, look at them go.
They're so fast.
They're having so much fun.
This is incredible.
Woohoo! Shh, look at the lions.
Wow.
They're so big. They're waking up. They're looking at us. They're so beautiful.
Hi there.
Hello. Welcome to the jungle.
Wow, you can talk.
Of course. Let's explore together.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at my giraffe. It's wonderful, sweetie.
And check out my lion.
Whoa, cool. Can we see them? We will. Let's finish our picnic first.
I'm so excited.
Wow, the zoo. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. Hold our hands, sweetie.
I see elephants. Let's go.
We'll see them soon, buddy.
And giraffes. They're so tall.